I know you don't have boosts in your servers, but you want to use role icon feature of Discord. Don't worry, I am here. Just throw away boost. In this video I will showcase you my bot, role icon. This bot will get you role icon feature of Discord without boosts. So let's jump into video. First invite this bot. Use role emoji add command. Add your emoji to respective role. Then update user with that role. Then see the magic, as you can see username got updated with emoji set. Now you have added emoji. But wait, if you want to update, what will you do so? Let's see how to update emoji set. Use same command role emoji add. Enter the role and emoji which you want to update. Now your emoji is updated. Now let's check. As you can see, emoji got successfully updated. You can add any emoji which can be found inbuilt in Discord. You can even add text and emoji combination, as you can see in background. Username gets updated with user's highest role. For example, green role is higher than orange one. If I update user who has orange role with green role, user's nickname gets changes to green role set emoji. Hey ID 10T, how will I remove already set role if I don't want it? To remove role you need to use command role emoji remove and then enter role for which you want to remove. Let's check now. See, it worked perfectly fine. This are common troubleshooting. First, if you have many user updated in short time, it might not update because of rate limit which Discord sets, so don't panic and try again after some time. Second, make sure role icon role is above all role which you have set emoji for, to grant the bot permission to change nicknames of user having that role. I hope you liked my bot. If you liked, consider adding it to your server. All links in description. Thanks.